What's up everyone, it's Jason here from Red Bee Labs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out when new videos are released. Today we are going to unbox the Nest Learning Thermostat Generation 3 and here we go. Okay guys, I got my trusty unboxing knife. Let's just get into under the plastic. Let's see if I can get it open. Okay. I've been kind of excited about this. I know it came out a little bit ago, but I am turning my house into a smart home, so I want to get everything controlled. All right, just slide it open. Put that to the side over here. Alright, yes, nice little tip. I love these tabs. You just grab them, you yank them, and you don't have to worry about knives and everything. Alright, let me shake the box open. Come on, come on. Always so difficult. There we go, now I'll do it all elegant like it was my first try. Alright, I got it in white. We just painted the dining room gray and the trim is white, so we wanted to go ahead and, kind of match it up. This is a lot smaller than I thought. A lot smaller. Let's just set this right here. Open this up. I'm guessing this will be the documentation. Yes, we got all the Nest documentation, the professional installation guide, and the installation guide. This is the welcome guide, I'm sorry. This is the installation guide. So signed. And these are my tools I will use to put it in. It comes with screws. This is the back plate that will go on the wall. Then they will connect. And, oh, that's pretty cool. Give me a little screwdriver with Nest on it. Very nice, very nice. Okay guys, that was the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and get a good review going, an installation review, installation video and actual product review. Test it out for a little bit and I'll get back to you guys. Before I go, I'd really appreciate it if you'd go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment or two. It really helps me and the channel out, and it's just a nice thing to do. As always, this is Jason, and I will catch you in the next one.